So I have this BMW M4 2018, and I was driving and I noticed I could hear a sloshing noise, water sloshing noise, but I couldn't figure out where there was no water bottle or anything. Then I read up online on the forums, and apparently it seems like there is water that gets into the underbody panels and stays there because the drain holes get clogged. It's an easy fix, but it's a very poor design by BMW. So you just have to take out these 3 Torx screws starting from the back, and you basically just remove this side skirt a little bit, not have to remove the whole thing, and then look at the amount of water that drained out from here. It's like a river of water.